Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I filmed this Scarecrow Halloween look. If you'd like to see how I achieve this, then please keep on watching. And to start off this look, I'm going to dip into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take both of these brown shades to create kind of a darker brown. And I'm going to go ahead and start blending that into my crease and all over my lid. And then I'll be taking that dark brown shade on another fluffy brush, and I'm going to go ahead and just slightly deepen my crease. And picking up all the same brown shades again, I'm going to go ahead and run that under my eye for my under eye shadow. And I really smoked out the bottom lash eyeshadow as well. Now I'll be taking a little angled brush, and I'm going to dip into the black shade, and I'm going to go ahead and smoke that out on my bottom lash line. Dipping back to the brown shades again on a fluffier brush, I'm going to go ahead and start adding that onto my contour areas. First, I'll start with my cheekbones, and I'll do my forehead and my jawline. Now for the nose part, I'm going to go ahead and take this little orange pencil liner from NYX, and I'm going to draw a triangle on my nose. And then I mix some of the P. Louise base and the orange shade from the James Charles X Morphe palette, and I'm going to go ahead and fill it in with that cream, and then I'll be setting it with the orange shadow as well. And now taking this little black liner, I'm going to go ahead and draw a little black outline for the triangle of my nose. And this is just kind of to sketch it out, and then I'll be smoking it out as well. Now taking the NYX Matte Black Liner, I'm going to go ahead and make the lines a little more bold, and I'm going to go ahead and go over where I drew the black. And now to add some stitches, I'm going to go ahead and draw a little squiggly line on my forehead. And I'm going to go ahead and take that same liner and make the line a little thicker. And then I'm going to add the actual little stitchings. Now I'll be taking the LA Girl Concealer in the shade Toast and applying that to my lips, and I'll be blending it out with a fluffy brush. And now I'll be taking that same black liner, and I'm going to go ahead and draw a little line over my lips, and then I'll cross on the outer edge to bring it out. And then I'll be taking the NYX black liner again, and I'll be going over those and just making them more bold. And I'll be dipping into those brown shades again, and I'll be blending that out on my lips. And again, I don't want this to be perfect, it's supposed to be rugged, so I'm just kind of going all over it and making sure it's all blended. And now to deepen the outer corner of my lips, I'm going to take the darker shades that I used, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that into the black. And I did have this little black paint crayon that I got from Walmart. It didn't really work really well, but I did go over that with that and then blend out the brown on top of it. And I'll be taking that black liquid liner and drawing the little stitchings across my lips on each side. And I took some of that LA Girl concealer again and mixed it with the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade dark brown on a little liner brush. And I went ahead and started drawing lines over the lines I already drew over my lip, but making it more rugged and just making it deeper. And I went ahead and did the same on my cheeks, and I started adding little crosses on my forehead just to make it more look rugged and scratched. After applying some highlighter in my inner corner, I'm going to take my beat up Morphe 35O palette and I'm going to take the orange shade and apply that to my inner corner. And for my eyelashes, I'm going to take Dodo lashes in the style D505. And you can use code rosaxrobles on dodolashes.com for money off your order. And I had my hair in 2 French braids a few hours before, and I went ahead and took the Away Dry Texture Foam, and I'm going to go ahead and spray some into my hand, and I'll be spreading that throughout my hair just to give some texture and volume. Alright guys, and that completes this Scarecrow Halloween tutorial. I really love how this all came out, and I think it's actually pretty wearable, honestly. Anyway, if you'd like to see any more videos, please comment down below. Please like and subscribe and turn on my post notifications so you don't miss any time I upload. You can follow me on Twitter and on Instagram, both at rosaxrobles. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.